Here's our Optimus. We've used the Lamecca. We're going to applicator number 2, which is called the Forma. Now, the Forma was developed about 10 years ago, still very popular. Think of the Forma as the external applicator of Body Tight. It slides along the skin, and it heats that skin up to an endpoint that you determine. It measures contact, impedance, rate of rise of temperature at all times, 1,000 times a second, and cuts off that temperature so you can keep that skin at 40, 41, 42 as long as you want. There are 14 positive electrodes in the middle and negative electrodes on the side. Bulk heating, bipolar, RF, all the sensors are built into the handpiece, and there's no disposable. The real skin temperature is 24. We want to get to 40 and hold it there. And we want to hold it there for about 10 minutes in area. So 10 minutes on one cheek, 10 minutes in the other, 10 minutes on the forehead, lower lid. That's 30 minutes. So 15 minutes of IPL and 30 minutes of Forma. And it won't start timing down till you get your end point. So you don't count the 3 minutes it takes to heat up. You don't get neocollagenous till you get to 40. So it won't start timing down to that. It keeps a track of how many kilojoules, typically 1 kilojoule or so per zone. And we're going to be using this all over the skin. We're going to treat down the nasolabial fold, jawline, and treat the entire cheek. So we want to get to our endpoint and then maintain it. Once you get within 2 degrees of your endpoint, it'll start to double beep and warn you you're getting close. When you get triple beeping, you know at your endpoint. And so we already color corrected the skin. Now we want to tighten it non-ablatively. We're going to do 1 treatment a month for 3 months, or she comes in once a week for this. Now we've got color correction and tightening. But if we want to really double down on tightening and fractional remodeling of wrinkles, then we hit with the Morpheus. That's the Holy Trinity. 3 applicators, $3,000, 3 treatments, 3 months, 3 years younger. Now, they'll often look 5 years younger, but under promise, over deliver. And we showed this patient earlier, great results. Anyone could get that. It's not me that's particular to this outcome. It's you and using the right parameters. Again, for skin type 1, 2, and 3, for body areas, the Optimus can use on the body. You've got hair removal, and you've got bulk heating RF tightening that you can use on stretch marks, cellulite, and you can use the Morpheus.